Do you want to earn money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Welcome to the world of passive income, where your assets, not your time, do the heavy lifting. We're about to explore 5 ways to generate passive income, all with an initial investment of $0 to $100. That's right. You can start building your wealth without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to make your money work for you, keep on watching. First up on our list is affiliate marketing, a popular choice for the digitally savvy among us. This is a fantastic way to generate a passive income stream with little to no upfront investment. In essence, affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service that you genuinely love and believe in. Here's how it works. First, you find a product you're passionate about. Perhaps it's a gadget that's revolutionized your life, or a book that's changed your perspective. Next, you sign up for an affiliate program related to that product. This program will provide you with a unique link, which you'll then share on your blog, social media platforms, or even in your email newsletters. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's as simple as that. The key here is authenticity and genuine endorsement. People can tell when you truly believe in what you're promoting. So if you have a knack for selling, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to passive income. Next, we have online surveys and cashback apps, perfect for those who love to shop and share their opinions. These 2 income streams are pretty straightforward. Online surveys are just that. You answer questions about various topics for market research companies. In return, you earn a small fee. Now, on to cashback apps. These clever tools give you, well, cashback for purchases you'd make anyway. Simply sign up for a legitimate cashback app, do your usual shopping through it, and voila, you're earning money. Starting with these methods is as easy as pie. Simply find legitimate survey sites and cashback apps, sign up and start earning. It might only be a few minutes each day, but those minutes add up. Now, we're not saying you're going to buy a private island with these methods, but remember, as they say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Online surveys and cashback apps may not make you a millionaire, but hey, every penny counts. Moving on to print on demand, a great option for the creative minds out there. It's like opening your own boutique, but without the overhead costs of a physical store. With print on demand, you create and upload your unique designs to a dedicated platform. These designs could be anything from witty slogans to intricate artworks. Once uploaded, these designs can be printed onto a wide range of products, from t-shirts to coffee mugs, and sold directly on the platform. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping, as the platform handles all that. All you need is a small investment for initial setup and to promote your products. Marketing can be as simple as sharing your designs on social media, or as complex as running targeted ad campaigns. The beauty of this income stream is that it rewards creativity and initiative. So get your creative juices flowing, and who knows, with print on demand, your artistic talents can certainly pay off. For our photography enthusiasts, stock photography could be your path to passive income. Now, what is stock photography? It's simply the supply of photographs that are often licensed for specific uses. With a good camera and a keen eye, you can start this journey with little to no investment. How do you begin? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Take high-quality photos that capture unique moments or tell compelling stories. 2. Upload these pictures to stock photo sites like Shutterstock or Getty Images. 3. Sit back and watch the royalties roll in each time someone downloads your photo. It's like having a personal art gallery where your photos work for you around the clock. So get snapping and start earning. Last but not least, we have peer-to-peer lending, for those who like to play banker. Imagine a world where you're the bank, lending out your hard-earned money to those who need it. That's what peer-to-peer lending is all about. It's a simple investment opportunity that lets you earn interest over time, just like a savings account, but with potentially higher returns. So, how do you start? It's quite simple. You sign up for a peer-to-peer lending platform. These platforms allow you to lend out small amounts of money to individuals or small businesses. As they pay back their loans, you earn interest. The beauty of it is that you can start with a small investment, yet the potential returns can be substantial. With peer-to-peer lending, your small investment could yield big returns. And there you have it. 5 passive income streams you can start today with $0 to $100. Affiliate marketing, online surveys, print on demand, stock photography, and peer-to-peer lending. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now, so get started and watch the money roll in while you sleep.